So real quick, we're going to be changing out the housing from the garbage disposal to a regular sink because we don't really use the garbage disposal, so we're just going to go down and change it out. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to do that real quick. So these bolts here, you want to remove those. You have 3 of them. On mine, it's another flathead or Phillips. So go ahead and remove all 3 of them now. Then if you push that up, right there, you see a little clamp. You're going to need to remove that. So get some pliers or some dikes and remove that. And go ahead and do that. So what I'm going to do is take a small flat point, push it behind it, and then push it down. And then what you're going to need to do now is just work it around and take off that little ring that holds it in place. So now it enables you to slide these 2 pieces off, and then now you can push this up and out the way. So we come over here, piece, and then there you